Hi students, good morning. In the previous class, we have discussed about classification of computers. In the classification of computers, about analog computers, digital computers and hybrid computers. Along with that, the digital computers can be divided into based on their purpose, general purpose computers and special purpose computers is divided. About all these computers we have discussed in the previous class. In this class, the same digital computers based on their size, performance and configuration, the same digital computers are classified into four types. Those are microcomputers, mini computers and mainframe computers, and the last one is supercomputers. Among those, yesterday we have discussed about microcomputers. The microcomputers are also known as personal computers, and these computers contains one or two processors. Single person can be used at a time. All these points we have discussed in the previous class. Here, let us continue from this onwards. Okay. Here again, the microcomputers, it can be divided into two types. Those are desktop computers and portable computers. Desktop computers and portable computers. Here, the first one is desktop computers. Desktop computers. Again, you have to understand clearly. Again, these desktop computers are classified into two models. That is desktop model and tower model. Like this, again, these desktop computers, or we can say the same personal computers, can get in two models, desktop model and tower model. Here, if you come to the desktop model, the name itself suggests that it is easily fits on a table or desktop. Those kind of computers are known as desktop computers. Along with that, one more important characteristic we have to follow to say a computer is a desktop computer. That is, if the system unit is placed on a table, on the system unit, if we place the monitor, that is known as desktop model. Is it clear? If we place the system unit, on the system unit, if we fit the monitor or place the monitor, that is known as desktop model. Again, if you come to tower model, this tower model, however, in our homes, colleges, how we are going to fit the computer, that is known as tower model. That means, if the system unit is placed on the table, beside that, if the monitor is placed, then that is known as tower model. Easily we can recognize in your home, if you are having a computer, how you have connected the computer, and that computer belongs to which model, whether it belongs to desktop model or tower model. If it is a desktop model, the system unit is placed on the table. Above that system unit, if you place your monitor, that is desktop model. Understood everybody? Okay. If you place your monitor, CPU or system unit, along with that, if you place your speakers, keyboard in front of that, if you fit the computer like this, then that is suited for tower model. Okay, is it clear? This is about desktop computers. Okay. Okay. Then let's go to next type, that is portable computers. Portable computers. Portable computers. Here, port means these computers, or we can say the computers which can be carried easily from one place to another place. Those computers are known as portable computers. Okay, the computers which can be carried from one place to another place easily. Okay, those computers are known as portable computers. For example, your laptop, and then the laptop is also known as notebook. Okay, along with that, here again we are going to study with two categories about this portable computers, because your phone is also, if you are having a smartphone, that phone is also a portable computer. Your laptop is also a portable computer. Then what is the difference among those two? Here we are going to define them. See, portable means this laptop also you can able to carry from one place to another place, and your smartphones also can able to carry from one place to another place. Then here again portable computers. See, the computers which we can place on our lap, top of our lap, that is laptop computers. These computers, laptop computers, are also we can carry from one place to another place. It is also having different kinds of sizes. Laptops also come in different sizes. Small size laptops are there, big size laptops are there. Okay, how many inches laptop you are going to purchase depends on the user or the purchaser. Understood everybody? See, touch screen laptops also available in the market. Understood everybody? Like this, different kinds of laptops are there. In the same manner, different kinds of manufacturers are there. Okay, different kinds of manufacturers are there. Different companies, they are going to manufacture the laptop computers, like Lenovo laptops. Okay, different kinds of manufacturers are there. HP laptops are there. Okay, Vivo laptops are there. Okay, even Samsung company laptops are there. Different kinds of laptops are available in the market. See, again the same portable computers under this, again we are going to study about handheld computers. Handheld computers. See, the computers which can be easily held through our hands, those computers are known as handheld computers, or we can say palm tops. Palm top computers. Palm top computers are handheld computers. For example, if you take your smartphones, All the smartphones we can hold easily through our hands and we can work with that. Understood everybody? And they are also portable. They can carry from one place to another place. Okay. These kind of computers are known as handheld computers. Okay. In this category, you can say all your smartphones comes under this category. Is it clear? This is about microcomputers. Understood everybody? Microcomputers are also known as what? Microcomputers are known as personal computers. Okay. See, these personal computers again we have categorized into two types. Those are desktop computers and portable computers. Is it clear? In desktop computers, these computers we can get in two models, desktop model and tower model. The same manner, these portable computers again we can get in two categories, laptops or notebooks and handheld computers. Okay, is it clear? This is about microcomputers. Okay, next the digital computers are classified into microcomputers. Next, mini computers. See, these microcomputers are developed in 1970. Okay, these microcomputers are developed in 1970. Again, we are going to discuss about mini computers. See, these mini computers was developed in mini computers. These mini computers was developed in 1960s. Okay, that means in second generation we can find these mini computers. Mini computers came into existence in second generation. Microcomputers came into existence in 1970. Understood everybody? Here, if you come to the features, main features of mini computers are larger than microcomputers. Okay, these mini computers are larger than microcomputers. Okay, see, in microcomputers it contains one or two processors, but if you come to mini computers, these computers contains two or more processors, two or more microprocessors. It contains two or more microprocessors, and these are also larger, and it is having more processing speed than mini computers. Okay, see, these mini computers can execute 5 million instructions per second. 5 million instructions per second. See, these mini computers can execute 5 million instructions per second. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. That means it can able to execute 50 lakh instructions in 1 second. Understood everybody? Such a fast computer is mini computer. Is it clear? Okay. See, here one more thing you have to understand. See, 4,000 connected users can use this computer, can use this computer at a time, or we can say simultaneously 4,000 connected users can use this computer. Is it clear? Okay, how 4,000 connected users can use this computer at a time? By using terminals, that is known as terminals. By using terminals, okay, 4,000 users can use this computer at a time. We can say by using personal computers or by using terminals, we can connect to this mini computer, and individually we can work. It will create an individual environment. Understood everybody? Individually we can work with it. Is it clear? Here one more thing we should understand, how 4,000 connected users they are going to connect to the computer by using terminal. What is terminal? Terminal means a device with monitor and keyboard is known as terminal. Understood everybody? A device with monitor and keyboard is known as a terminal. By using that device, if you keep separate monitor and keyboard, you can work with it. You will feel like individual environment, but that a device and your monitor keyboard automatically it gets connected to the mini computer. Like this, 4,000 connected users can use that at a time. How? For example, in your home you have a dining hall. In dining table, on the dining table, if you put a vessel full of tomato soup, if you put a vessel full of tomato soup, okay, if your entire family members sit on the dining table, every person can be able to take a cup of soup from that. Is it clear? Understood everybody? In the same manner, this vessel we have to consider it as mini computer. Okay, the 4,000 connected users, okay, you have to consider them as your family members. How your family members can take soup from your vessel? In the same manner, the information or data which is stored or centralized in the mini computer, all 4,000 users who are connected to the mini computer, they can be able to access the data simultaneously. Is it clear about mini computer? Okay, this is about mini computer. See, example for mini computer is AS400. Okay, this is an example for mini computer. At least you should know these details about mini computers. Is it clear? Okay. The next one is, after mini computers, mainframe computers. Mainframe computers. See, these mainframe computers was developed in 1975. Understood everybody? See, here if you come to mainframe computers, these are the largest computers than mini computer. These are larger than mini computers. These computers are larger than mini computers, and it contains multiple processors. It contains multiple processors. Okay. Here the next one is, if a computer gets increased by its processors, automatically its processing speed gets increased. Understood everybody? Like this, if you find in your computers, it contains only one microprocessor. Okay? Like this, it contains mainframe computer is the large computer, huge computer, and also it contains multiple processors. Okay? The next one is, see, this mainframe computer, this mainframe computer, here it can execute 16 million instructions per second. 16 million instructions per second. In 1 second, it can able to execute 16 million instructions. Is it clear? Okay. The next one is here 50,000 connected users. 50,000 connected users can use this computer simultaneously, or at a time 50,000 users can use it. Understood everybody? In networking and all, for data storage, they are going to use this kind of mainframe computers. Understood everybody? Okay, see, 50,000 connected users can use the same computer at a time. Okay, by using, however, I have explained about terminals, by using the same terminals, and also by using personal computers, they can connect to the mainframe computer and they can use it. Understood everybody? Here also it will create an individual environment for the user. Understood everybody? This is about mainframe computers, and here the main thing is DEC10 is an example for mainframe computer. Is it clear? DEC10 or DEC10, this is an example for mainframe computers. See, it will create a multi-purpose environment, multiple users, multiple tasks can execute at a time by using mainframe computers. Okay, it contains multiple processors and it can execute multiple tasks by using multiple users. Understood everybody? It can support multi-user environment. Multi-user environment. Okay, it can support multi-user environment, and also it can support multi-task environment. That means at a time multiple tasks it can able to execute from multiple users at a time simultaneously. They can use this computer. Understood everybody? These are the details you should know about mainframe computers. Okay. Here, one more thing is very important, that is uses of this personal computers and mini computers and mainframe computers. Here, if you come to uses of personal computers are used to, that means microcomputers or personal computers are used in engineering and scientific applications. Here these computers are used in engineering and scientific applications. Understood everybody? Microcomputers. If you come to the next one is mini computers. Mini computers are used in small companies, or we can say organizations. Okay, in small companies, or we can say organizations, these mini computers are used to provide centralized data management. Understood everybody? To store the data and information at the center in a computer. The same data and information can be shared with the other computers which are connected to the same computer. Is it clear? That is centralized data management. Okay, it provides that kind of environment. That's why these many computers are used in companies and small scale organizations. Understood everybody? The next one is mainframe computers. Okay, here the mainframe computers are used in large organizations, big organizations or big companies. They are going to use this mainframe computers like airlines. Okay, airlines. In airlines, to issue the tickets and all, these mainframe computers are used to reserve the tickets. Okay, these mainframe computers are used in airlines, different types of large companies like IBM's Z series mainframe computer. IBM's Z series mainframe computer. It is used by different organizations. Okay, the clients, they can purchase space in that mainframe computer and they can store their organization's information in it, and by using other clients they can be able to share that information. Okay, like this IBM's Z series and many other clients like our RBI, the Reserve Bank of India, HDFC, then TCS company, then Wipro company. These are all big organizations. Okay, these are all banks. Reserve Bank of India. Understood everybody? These two are banks. These are all famous companies. These are all going to use the mainframe computers. Okay. One more computer. This computer used by Pakistan to issue their national identity card. Okay, that information and to issue those identity cards and all, they are going to use this mainframe computer. Understood everybody? Like this, mainframe computers are used in large organizations, big organizations. Okay, it is more expensive. These mainframe computers are more expensive. Understood everybody? See, in this class we have studied about again the classification of microcomputers. Understood everybody? Microcomputers are again classified into two types. Which are those two types? Now only we have studied. One is desktop computers, another one is portable computers. In desktop computers again we will get two models. Which are those two models? The first model is desktop model, another one is tower model. Understood everybody? Again, if you come to portable computers, here in portable computers we can study them into two categories. One is laptop or notebook, okay, which can easily place on the top of our lap. That is laptop. Understood everybody? In the same manner, the computer which can be easily fitted in our hands, which can be easily held in our hands. Those are what I said, those computers are known as handheld computers. Is it clear? In the same manner, today we have discussed after that about mini computers, the characteristics of mini computers and use of mini computer. In the same manner, the next one is mainframe computers, the characteristics of mainframe computers and the use of mainframe computers. Okay? These are all the details you should keep in your mind. In the next class, let us discuss about supercomputers. Okay? Thanks for listening. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.